Yeah, hi. Welcome to the Webgearz automation software. So, if you are running a business for which you want to run, it may be digital product or a physical product. Mostly we do webinars for the digital product. So, if you are having any digital product and you want to generate leads and bring them to the webinars, and then you want to sell your products, then how this Webgearz automation tool is going to help you and how you can set up the complete automation for the whole process. I will explain you. Okay. So first thing is to generate the leads. What we do to generate the leads, we do organic marketing and paid marketing, right? So to start with paid marketing and organic marketing, so let's start with organic. Okay, organic way. So to do organic way, we post the content related to our business. We share knowledge sharing content, promotional content, right? So first thing, if you are going to do the organic marketing, then go to the settings and integrate all your social media platforms. Okay, so no need of going to Facebook and posting the content there and Instagram separately. Okay, once you connect, we have all these applications integrated in Webgearz. So if you integrate your accounts here, so from this software itself, you can automate your content, schedule your content, and post and manage all the replies, okay, using this single software. So no need of going to Google My Business, Facebook, Instagram to reply your comment. Okay, so now you can see here, so how to connect it. So whenever you can see here, see like manage or connect option. So in the same way, when you click on the Google My Business, you have to enter the credentials, then it will get connected. Same with the Facebook and Instagram. So whatever the accounts that you want to connect, just you need to click on the connect button, give the credentials, and it will get connect. So while doing, if you have any problem, you can share a screenshot and leave a voice message. Our team is there to help you out. So when it comes to paid ads, so if you're running a Facebook ad, so here we have Facebook form field mapping. In TikTok, we don't have in India. So ignore this and LinkedIn. Okay, so if you're running LinkedIn ad or Facebook or Instagram ad, so once you click here to how to integrate that form. So to run the ad, definitely you will create a form, right? In the ad. So you can select once the Facebook your profile is integrated. So here it will show all the pages related to that profile. So here form not available means I have not created any paid ad, so it is not showing. But once you create the paid ad, it will show the forms here, so you can integrate that form here directly. It will show. Then once you connect it, all the data which is all the leads data who are filling the form will be integrated here. Okay, it will show here, so you can track from here, you can respond from here, you can set the automation. Okay, I will show how you can do it. So first thing is organic way. First thing, you have to integrate all your social media platforms. Okay, next, if you want, this is the way that you can eh, integrate your forms which we use in paid ads. Okay, hope this is clear. Now how to schedule the content, how to the post the content. Okay, let me show. Go to the marketing. Okay, so go to the marketing tab. Now here you can see, okay, all these accounts are created. Okay, now here you can see published, right? So just when you click on new post, create a new post, and whatever the account that you want to select to schedule the content. So I want my Facebook and Instagram content should be scheduled. Now here we have an amazing option that customize for each channel. So when whatever here you write the caption for the post, caption, whatever you want to write, hashtags, call to action, okay, description, caption about the post, everything context we write here. If you want to add an image, you can add here. If you want to add a file, you can add here. If you want to add a video, you can add here. Okay, if you want to mention a location or shorten the link, okay, link shortener is also there. No need of going to other sites and shorten your URL. Okay, so now if you want to post feed, you can select your feed. If reel, it is a reel. If it is a story, you can select a story. How we can say, when we design an ad, we see the preview, right? In the same way, you can see the preview here as well. How it is displaying on Instagram, how it is displaying on Facebook. Okay, so once you enable this customize for each channel, whatever the video you're posting, as per the platform, it will get customized. Okay, so now once all the details are done, now here if you click on this button, if you want to post now, click on post now. If you want to schedule the post, you can set the schedule the post. You can select the date and time that when you want to schedule. And the best part is here it shows the AI will show the best time to post as per your account and as per your audience. Okay, so you can use this and give a test and result which is working for you. Okay, if you click on schedule post, it will schedule. And if your team member is working on the schedule the post, and if you want to first approve before making it live, if you want to approve, then send post for approval. So here you your name will be selected, or who is the candidate who is going to approve, their name will be mentioned here. And they will, what if they want to say anything, if they want to add any note, they can mention a note here as well, so that the approval will understand what the person want to say. Okay, so then here he can schedule and send for approval. The post will be scheduled and it will be sent for approval. Once the approval is done, it will get posted. Okay, so if you want to post the recurring post, means the same thing you want to post every Monday, so you can make it as a recurring post. So that will be posting every Monday. Every Monday it will post. So we have that option as well. So no need of going around all the platforms. In just one platform, you can get the leads, you can automate the content, schedule the content, and track the content, as well as you can reply to the post as well here. Okay, so here this is the organic way. When it comes to the paid way, so I'll show you how you can set up an ad here. We have ad manager as well. Just you need to create your ad account and link that ad account here. Okay, so we have a ad manager here. Okay, okay. So whatever the accounts are there, you need to connect here. Connect here. No ad account is connected. So if you want to connect the ad account, you can click here and connect the ad account. Okay, now to create an ad account, we need the landing page, we need the form so that people will fill. Okay, all right. So you have 1,000+ landing pages which is already created for you in the Webgearz. Okay, so once you go to the sites option, okay, you have here funnels, we have websites, we have okay forms, we have. So let me show you how we can design a form first. So this is a form. So we have, you can design from the scratch, or you can design from the templates. Okay, we have 1,000+ templates as per your category, business category, you can do it. So now here, this other marketing agency, suppose you think, or business coaching is there. Okay, so you can see how beautifully the templates are already designed, right? So just how to design it. Okay, let us select choose template. Okay, just you need to select the left side. You have all the elements, all the options. Just drag and drop as per your requirement, and immediately all the responses will be tracked in the software. No buffer time. So you can see here all the options we have. If you don't want to keep the last name, just delete it. Okay, if you want email, what is your current career status, anything you want to ask, you can ask. Okay, if you don't want anything, just click and delete it. If you want to add something, just drag and drop here. Okay, city. Okay, if you want to make the what if you want to make this thing required mandatory, okay, so you can click here required, or else you can uncheck it. Okay, so you all the options you have, all you have drop down option like this. You can have, you have the checkbox option. You can give the rating here, terms and conditions. If you want to upload a file here, you can do that. Okay, signature. Okay, here calendar. Okay, so all the options are available here. You just need to drag and drop and check. And if you want to check how it looks, then click on the preview button. Okay, if you click on the preview button, You will understand how it is shown. Okay. So once you fill the data here, okay. See, now let's make only phone number as mandatory. Okay. Now I have saved it. So this is career coaching request, right? So now let's preview it. So now I'm sending typing any random number. Okay. I'm submitting the form. Okay. So now here in Webgearz, you can see the data. Submissions. See. Okay. Automatically the data is selected, tracked here. So in this way you can connect the leads data. Okay, so once we have got the data, then we can then we want to invite them to the webinar. Just like the automation, go to automation. Okay, so now here create a workflow. There we have already so many automations we have created here. Okay, like Facebook automated reply. Okay, reviews automated reply, booking appointment and follow up messages after appointment booking. Okay, so let me show you how we can create the automation. Okay, you can use from the template, you can use for you can build using AI, and you can build on your own. So let me show you what templates we have. So this is lead nurture automation. We have customer appointment confirmation and reminder. We have, okay, automate to call text back, customer appointment birthday templates. We have Facebook Messenger, Google My Business Message, appointment booking. Okay, send review request, appointment confirmation plus reminder. Okay, so this webinar registration confirmation. So let's choose webinar registration and confirmation. So once they fill the form, okay, we can set the automation here. See, trigger link clicked. So whatever the link we have mentioned in our ad or in the landing page, we can mention here. Once the link is clicked, see, trigger link, then we can select the trigger link, whatever the link we have given. Once we create that, it will show. So once we mention the link here, okay, add a registration tab. So webinar registration completed. This tag will be added to them. Set webinar start time. Uh, Start time. So when the webinar is getting started, the date and time you need to mention here. Okay. Once we mention that, they will get a confirmation email that this is the time of a webinar. So 24 hours before the webinar, it will wait and it will send a reminder. Not only email, you can add here WhatsApp as well. So you can add a WhatsApp here. So before doing the automation, we need to create the templates. Okay, so once you start working, we will guide you how you can create a template. So all these are the templates that we created. So now here, see, I'll show you 1 hour before appointment. Okay. Now you can see here the message that hi, reminder from Decanalytics that your appointment is at so and so time. Okay, please start from home accordingly. So it is a clinic. So um, it is this is the reminder message. So for it is if it is a webinar, you can change the text. So location, and we have given the call to action. In the same way, if you create the templates directly, you can add here. Now if I click on save action, just WhatsApp will be added. Okay, as you can see. So no, but here, as this is clinic one, just we need to, if you want to delete, you can just delete the action. Okay. Okay. So once it is delivered, wait until 1 hour before. Next, again, before 1 hour, the reminder is sent. Before 10 minutes, the reminder is sent. If you want to send before 5 minutes, you can set up here. Before once the webinar is live, you can, if you want to send the reminder, you can send here. Okay, as per your requirement, you can design it, design the automation. Just you need to select the options and you want to mention that what automation process should be done. So in this way, you can select the automation. So now for the webinar, once you have designed the ad, we have a landing pages here, 1,000+ landing pages already created. Just you need to change the content. You need to integrate the form that which you have created. Once the form is integrated, ad is live, all the leads will be tracked in the software. You can track from here to all the leads. We can set up the automation as I have shown. Once the automation is done, they come to the webinar. Once they attend the webinar, we also do follow-ups. You can set up a follow-up as I shown here. You can do the follow-up, automated follow-up by using automation. Once they come, then it's your turn. Then you can convert your leads into sales. After the webinar, also how you will follow up, what are the follow-up process, everything you can do, you can automate here. Okay, just it is a one-time process. Once it is done, then you can leave all your follow-ups and conversions and nurturing process through automation. So using Webgearz, you can handle all this A to Z process so that you can convert all the leads into sales. Hope this is clear. Okay, so if you have any queries, feel free to send a voice message. We will help you out, or we can connect on call as well. Thank you. Have a great day.